Galangal, also called Alpinia galangal. A plant in the ginger family, bears a rhizome used largely as an herb in medicine and as a spice in Southeast Asian cookery. Similarly to ginger and turmeric, galangal can be eaten fresh or cooked, and is a popular addition to many Chinese, Indonesian, Malaysian, and Thai dishes. What are the health benefits of galangal? Galangal root may help protect your body against certain types of cancer. Galangal is a member of the Zingiberaceae family, which also includes ginger, turmeric, and cardamom. This group of plants contains phytochemicals linked to cancer prevention, thanks to their antioxidant and anticarcinogenic properties. Galangin, a flavonoid found in galangal, has been shown to combat chemical genotoxicity. Galangin has also been linked to apoptosis, the self-destruct program the body uses to kill off dysfunctional cells. According to a study, suggests that the active compound in galangal root, known as galangin, may kill cancer cells or prevent them from spreading. Galangal root may boost male fertility. Southeast Asians often use galangal in menstrual disorder treatments. A 2014 study revealed that ethanolic extract of galangal significantly increased spermatogenesis. Rich in antioxidants. Galangal root is a rich source of antioxidants, which are beneficial plant compounds that help fight disease and protect your cells from damaging free radicals. It's especially rich in polyphenols, a group of antioxidants linked to health benefits, such as improved memory, and lower blood sugar, and LDL, bad cholesterol levels. It helps fight inflammation and pain. Galangal root may reduce disease-causing inflammation, as it contains HMP, a naturally occurring phytochemical that studies have suggested boasts potent anti-inflammatory properties. Galangal is a natural antimicrobial. According to a study, suggests that galangal root may kill harmful bacteria, including E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Salmonella typhi, although its effectiveness appears to vary between studies. Other studies show that the essential oils derived from dried and fresh galangal rhizomes can inhibit bacteria, yeast, fungi, and parasites. Strengthens immune system. Galangal delivers good amounts of vitamin C, and more than a dozen antioxidants including alpine and galangin, making it an immunity booster. Side effects of galangal. Galangal root has been used in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine for centuries, and is likely safe when consumed in the amounts typically found in foods. Avoid use during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Fresh root is toxic and may cause dizziness, intestinal pain, and vomiting. It may increase your stomach acid, so it is best to avoid it if you are suffering from GERD or peptic ulcer.
Yung freshly picked na galangal, kuha po kayo ng mga seedling bag, yung elastic, katulad nito. So, if you want, kung maliit or malaki, it's up to you. Ngayon, yung soil po namin, ang recommended ko na soil, yung may pagka-loose. So, this is garden soil na hinaluan po namin ng dumi ng hayop or animal manure. So, yan. Okay lang po ako. Papatong ko lang siya dyan. So, ganyan lang po. So, ganyan po ang pagtatanim ng langkawas sa pot. Pwedeng nakausli po yung kanyang shoots para lalabas na po yung dahon niya. So, kung wala pang ganyan, for a week, maging patient lang po kayo. Lalabas din yan in a week or
surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far. Created a space. In my head it was empty, but I know that I want to be where you are. I was denied. I had spent those years, did not recognize the person that's inside. We have a purpose, but to take that leap, you must recognize the person that's inside. The person that's inside. Believe me, I swear, the story's not over. As I fall, I will continue to get up. I cannot stop because it is over. Live in the moment, living in a quiet place. To be everywhere, to be without a care. I was denied. I had spent those years, did not recognize the person that's inside. We have a purpose, but to take that leap, you must recognize the person.
So here's a sample ng isang galangal na mother plant. So dun muna tayo sa flowers. Yan ang itsura niya. Ito yung kanyang dahon. So ang tangkad niya umaabot siguro ng 6 feet. Then yung talagang ginagamit natin yung nasa ilalim. Caution, huwag niyong hahayaang may yung mga damong ganito na gumagapang. Kasi before, meron akong damo, sobrang kumapal siya, natalo na yung buong galanggal ko, namatay yung buong galanggal. Kaya if merong mga ganitong gumagapang sa inyong galanggal, patayin nyo dun sa ilalim. Yung root niya, yung roots ng weed na yun, hanapin nyo sa ilalim. Yun ang bunutin nyo para mamatay hanggang sa taas. Yan, so ganito yung itsura niya sa ilalim. Ito yung mga newly sprouted, yung mga ganyang kaliliit. Pero kapag meron na siyang ganitong kalalaking sanga, it means ito yung mga matured. So kapag nahukay mo dyan, pwede mong bunutin from here. Ayan. Ayan. So ito yung galanggal. Yan. So, ito yung mga pwedeng iluto. Pwede rin yung planting.